Hi, my name is Kate Chapman and this is my Lab 2 presentation. So the main goal of this experiment is to improve from Lab 1 and create a more accurate estimate of the electric charge between the two U-tapes. We do this by breaking the tapes into smaller sections and treating them as a series of point charges. We do this by editing our code from the previous lab and making it a little bit more elaborate. In this, some big ideas we use are the momentum principle, which is the idea that momentum is never lost but transferred, and Newton's third law, which is for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Both of these help us calculate the amount of force it takes necessarily to levitate the top tape, which allows us to calculate the electric charge. The results were we found a value of 2.7 times 10 to the negative third, which is more accurate when compared to Lab 1, which gave a value of electric force of 2.16 times 10 to the negative third. So some quick measurements. This is all from Lab 1 again. The length of the tape is 0.22 meters. The mass of the tape is 0.00022 kilograms. The displacement is 0.0032 meters. And then the calculated gravitational force is equal but opposite that of the calculated electric force. And then the net charge is 1.566 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs. So this is our code for Lab 2. So as you can see, for loops are heavily used in this, this code that we've done. And it's used to go through the top tape and then the bottom tape as well, and go through that multiple times through the different different sections we've broken our charge into and treated as tape charges. And then it's summed together at the bottom, and we've made arrows to represent it. And so here, it's correct. So the yellow arrow pointing down is the gravitational force, and then the white arrow pointing up is the electric force. And you can see the green is the electric field coming from the bottom tape, from the bottom tape. And then you can see that the magnitude of the electric force and the magnitude of the gravitational force are the same. So we know it's correct. So the conclusion, the charge in this lab was higher than the charge from the first lab, and this makes sense because now our results are a little bit more accurate. They were pretty close, but we know that this one is closer. So it's a reasonable result, and that concludes my presentation. Thank you.